Hello and welcome. Now, in this class, I want us to look at search engine optimization, very basic search engine optimization. We're going to look at indexing and what search engines are. Now, even before we begin, let us understand that Google is a search engine, is an example of a search engine. So most people confuse Google for being the internet. No, it is not the internet. Google is an example of a search engine. Now there are many other search engines such as Yahoo, there's Bing, there's DuckDuckGo, and many others. Google is the main one, as in it is the most popular one and used by almost 90% of the people who use the internet. Okay, so let us get that right. Google is a search engine, and when we say search engine optimization (SEO), then that means that we are configuring our website so that it can be compatible with how Google works. Google works in a manner that allows people to easily find things on the internet. So when we say search engine optimization, we are optimizing or we are configuring our website so that it can easily be found by the search engine, Google search engine. Okay, so another thing to consider before we move on, let us understand that search engine optimization is always done on live websites. I mean live websites that are being hosted somewhere on a remote server that is not local. Now, in our previous classes, we've been we've been practicing with the local host websites. So it is advised that when you want to optimize your website, make sure that you're optimizing it while it is live, or later on you're going to publish it. Make sure it is a live website because Google software or Google crawlers do not come looking for information on your computer. What they do is look for information that is online. So you want to optimize your website. Make sure that you publish it before you can optimize or configure it so that it can be compatible and it can be found using search engines such as Google. Now, let us move on. Now, I'm going to use this live website to demonstrate today's class. Okay, now what we're going to need is we're going to use two plugins. Now, the first plugin goes by the name Google Site Kit. This one, Google Site Kit. Where is it? Google Site Kit. Oh, sorry about that. Google Site Kit. Yeah. So this is the plugin. Now, Google Site Kit is the plugin that allows us to submit our files to our website files. It allows us to submit our website files to the Google search engine so that it can easily be found when people come looking for our website. Okay, now the other plugin we are going to use, okay, so mine is already activated, installed and activated. Once you've done that, it will appear on your dashboard. So make sure you're installing Google Site Kit. Now the other plugin is we call it Yoast. Okay. So Yoast search engine optimization plugin, from the name search engine optimization, what it does is give you the ability to customize or configure your website so that it can be easily be found on the internet via search engines such as Google and Yahoo and the rest. Okay, so those are the two plugins we're going to use: Google Site Kit and Yoast. Okay. Now, briefly, before we even move on, let us understand that the files that we are submitting to the Google Site Kit through the Google Site Kit, those files, our website files, are what we call sitemaps. Okay, so sitemaps, the files that we are going to submit. We are going to submit our files to Google search engine and tell Google. It's like telling Google, hey, I have created a website. Can you do something about it? Can you make it available for the internet users? So the sitemaps are the files or kind of files that we are going to that we are going to upload or submit to Google, telling them that, yeah, we've created a website, kindly do something about it, make it available for the internet users. Okay, now to locate these the sitemaps, that is where the Yoast plugin comes in. Now, mine is already installed and activated. This is how it looks like on your dashboard. There it is. Okay. So what we need from this plugin are the sitemaps. So to locate the sitemaps, come to settings under Yoast. This is how you do it. Go to settings. Go to settings, then scroll down below, scroll. Yeah, so this is what we are looking for. Okay. So once you locate this, we want to view XML files. Now click on the XML file sitemaps to view the site, to view the files. Now, these are the files that we are interested in. These are the files that we should submit to the Google search engine to tell them that, yeah, this is files from our website. Kindly make them searchable on the internet. Okay. So this is how it is done. What we are interested in mostly is this link. Okay. Now take note of that. Let us go back. Now let us go back to our website. Now that we have our sitemaps here, let us go back to the site kit, Google Site Kit. Okay. So the Google Site Kit, this is how it looks like when installed on your computer, no, on your WordPress dashboard. The site kit, the G site kit, that is how it looks like. Okay. So what we need is open settings. Okay. Let us open settings, then let us locate it. So yeah, the Google Site Kit comes packed with 4 features. Number one being the Google Search Console, then the AdSense feature. We also have analytics. We also have page speed. Now, what we are going to focus on is the Search Console. This is what we are most interested in, especially in this class. Okay, so to submit our files, we need this file submitted to the Google search engine. So this is the next step. Open. Make sure you're opening the search console. Drop it that way. Then see full detail in search console. Click on that. Okay. Now. So when it opens the Google Search Console, this is the interface that you'll be met with. Okay. So what we want to do is locate the sitemaps and the sitemaps location, because that is what we want to submit. We want to submit our sitemaps. So this is how you do it. Go to sitemaps, under sitemaps, click on that. Now this is where we are supposed to copy our URL, this URL. Okay. After we've generated our sitemaps, then we simply come copy it. I'm copying it right now. Then I'll paste it right there. Okay. So that is that URL is what we are submitting to Google, telling them, yeah, this is a link or a link to our website sitemaps. Kindly make it available on the internet so that when people come looking for our website, they can see it and also they can access it. Okay. So after you've copied and pasted it there, what we want to do next is submit. Hit submit. Then yeah, successful. So sitemap submitted successfully. That is what we wanted to do. We've done that. So To confirm if our sitemaps have been submitted to the Google Search Console, this is what you do. To confirm, you type in site, then full colon, the colon, then uh, type in the domain name of your website. So like mine is Montage Media site. Remember it is site, full colon, montage media. Now that is my domain name. In your case, you shall use your domain name, montagemedia.ke, then hit enter. Okay, so once it returns results like this, these are pages to the these are just pages to that website that we've been dealing with. This one, the one that we've been working on. So if Google brings or submits this kind of result, then that means that your site has been well uh, indexed, it has been submitted, your files have been submitted to the Google search engine. So when people come looking for your website, they can easily find it. Like mine, let us see montage media. Okay, let us search for montage media. So it should be on the 9th page. Yeah, so there it is, as you can see. It is searchable on the internet, it is available on the internet. And when you click on that, on that link, yeah, there we go. That is our website, and that we have just submitted the sitemaps. These sitemaps to Google, telling them that kindly make our website available and searchable on the internet. Yeah, so that is all about today's class. Now we've looked at submitting sitemaps to the Google site search console, so that when people come looking for our website, they can find it online. Okay, so see you in the next one. Peace.